the ultimate combination of simplicity and ingenuity. The newest way to load, unload, and transport your ATV or UTV. The MadRamp's Pivoting Ramp System. Made in the USA and engineered for strength and durability. Maneuver through tight places and over rugged terrain with plenty of ground clearance. No licensing, no ongoing maintenance costs, and no storage hassles like trailers. Won't slip or move like conventional ramps. Free up more cargo space in the bed of your truck. Securely connects to your truck's receiver hitch. Easily extends for safe loading and unloading. Seamlessly retracts for highway and off-road travel. DOT approved in all 50 states and Canada. Quickly disconnects in under a minute. A unique space-saving storage system. The MadRamp's Pivoting Ramp System. Go farther. Go faster. Go safer. Go with MadRamps. Visit your local dealer or go to madramps.com.
This time on Gear Hunters, I'm going out to do something I don't normally try and do, get stuck. But I'm not worried. I've got an inexpensive new product with me called the Trac-Grabber. And you know what? I'm gonna get out no matter what, whether I'm in mud, sand, or snow. The Trac-Grabber is easy to store in your vehicle and it's reusable, so it's ready to go whenever you need it. It's a very useful tool for anyone, anytime, anywhere. When hunting in the backcountry, there's a pretty good chance you could get stuck in the mud. Trac-Grabber is the only product of its kind that enables you to get out of a jam using your vehicle's own power. That way, you're back hunting right away instead of walking and looking for a tow. The simple Velcro locking system takes only one person to secure, drive, and then remove once your truck has escaped. As you can see, we're out. This is definitely coming with me all during hunting season. If you want one, check it out at Trac-Grabber.com.
Every day your car gets dirtier and dirtier, so how can you maintain the cleanliness of your car? Today I'm here to show you something called trap mats. A new type of car mat you've never seen before. As you can see, the trap mats look really clean on the surface, but when you remove the upper layer, there's a lot of dust inside. However, it's very easy to clean. With a patented honeycomb design, dust or pollutants simply pass straight through to the lower layer, while indentations on the lower layer trap the dust. This ensures that trap mats will always look clean without any dust flying around. Think back to all the problems we've had with other types of car mats. Think of the times you had to get in the car when it was raining outside. Because regular car mats absorb so much moisture, they usually become dirty very easily and can smell very bad. Not only that, you may also spill your coffee in your car. And kids almost always spill something. But what about trap mats? Trap mats are made with a special type of plastic called EVA that doesn't absorb moisture, thereby trapping water in the lower layer. The upper and lower layers are linked with a hook and loop fastener so liquids stay in the lower layer, keeping your shoes and pants clean. When you get in your car, the dirt or dust from your shoes fall on the mat. They get trapped in the lower layer of trap mats. Even when the air conditioner blows or the car is shaking, the air inside your car stays fresh with no dust flying around. As you can see, with trap mats, you can maintain the clean and freshness of the inside of your car. Trap mats are much lighter than other car mats, and anyone can easily clean them. It's very hard to shake all the dirt and dust off of regular car mats, but with trap mats, you simply need to separate the upper and lower layers to remove the dust. What about washing car mats with water? The dust and dirt in regular car mats are very difficult to wash off, and they take a very long time to dry. When they are completely dried, germs and bacteria can easily grow on them. I bet you didn't know that a regular car mat which doesn't dry completely can grow more germs than a public restroom. With trap mats, dust and dirt can easily be rinsed off with just water. And the water-resistant trap mats will dry up very quickly and completely too. Trap mats can be installed easily and securely with Velcro and retention clips. A bactericide coating added to the mats helps prevent bacteria or germ growth in your car. We use water jet CNC cutting machines to make customized trap mats. That way, trap mats can fit perfectly in the front or back seats of any car, no matter if it's left or right-hand steering. The car that you drive in every day. The car that your family rides in. How about protecting your family's health by using trap mats? For a cleaner, healthy car. Please support us and our new Easy Clean trap mats.